I wonder who that is. Yeah, we already have presents down there. Isn't that like retarded? Only got one present down there so far. I still have to put other presents down there. Yeah. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw him, you might even say it glows. We get it.